In BVSol, you can create 2D or 3D models for PV solar systems. If you uncheck Use 3D design, you can create a 2D one. BVSol creates AC coupled systems. An AC coupled system allows the connection of the battery system as AC side, as we can see here. The DC electricity generated from a solar panel is converted by the inverter to AC electricity. The power flows to feed the load and into the battery system at the same time. The battery system contains an inverter that has a circuit to convert AC to DC to feed the batteries and then back to AC when the batteries need to supply the load. Extra energy flows to the grid. In a DC coupled system, DC solar electricity flows from PV panels to a charge control and into batteries. No conversion of DC electricity to AC electricity happens until the battery is fully charged. Now let's talk about some pros and cons. For AC coupled system, the main advantage of AC coupled solar battery system is that they are easy to be installed, requiring less cost and less labor. Another thing is that AC coupled systems feed the battery and the load at the same time. No need to wait the batteries to charge, then feed the load. Thirdly, due to the connection of AC coupled systems, the battery system can be charged through the grid, so it gives more stable output and increases the battery life while not only depending on the solar electricity for charging. The main disadvantage of AC coupled systems is that the conversion from DC to AC, then from AC to DC and back to AC induces losses and decreases the overall system efficiency. For DC coupled systems, they are more complicated to be part of the grid and takes more time for installation, so increasing costs and labor. The main advantage for the DC coupled solar systems is that the electricity is converted from DC to AC only once, and not 3 times as the AC coupled one. Then the overall system efficiency is higher and lower losses are experienced by the system. If you already installed the system, it's recommended to use the AC coupled battery system as they are easy to install and won't need you to stop energy production from PV panels to install a battery system. If you want to include a battery system and just as the first step of your installation, you can use the DC coupled systems as they will have higher efficiency and lower losses. We have 3 PV solar system types in PVSol 7.5. The full feed-in, the on-grid systems with net metering and connected to electrical appliances, and the third one is on-grid with electrical appliances, net metering, and contains a battery system. The battery system contains charge control to control charge and discharge of batteries, also batteries, and the inverter. Full feed-in allows you to feed all of the generated energy by the PV system into the grid, and the utility would pay for the energy according to a feed-in tariff. In the second system, you have to define the consumption of the load or the appliances. In 2D models, you can see the 2 icons appear, the module selection and the inverter selection. In the 3D design, you will choose the PV modules and the inverter inside the 3D design window. Net metering means the meters calculate the energy you take from grid and the energy you feed into the grid and calculate the difference so you can pay for the energy from grid and get paid when you feed in energy into the grid. The third system is the same as the previous one except for the addition of the battery system selection window.